So we've come to this place called Baby Forest. All thanks to Sachit.
Yeah.
जो मुझे लेके आया. Sachit, what's up, bro? Why so serious? कैमरा क्या चालू हो गया?
Yeah.
That's so good to see you, man.
I know, man. Always.
I know. So he's my Delhi friend, of course, Nikita's brother. Both Nikita and Sachit are great friends of mine. We've known each other for the longest time. And Sachit, of course, stays very close to my house in Scenic Farm.
Yeah.
And we're like Delhi boys. And I keep telling him to stay single, stay happy, and stay wealthy, and not to get married. So we came to buy something for Nikita's son, and he has turned 5 years old today. He's a big boy, and apparently, I'll be meeting him for the first time.
Oh,
I've never met him.
no way.
Yeah. Because every time
Last
I've been
week
to
he
the
came.
farm, every time I've gone to the
Oh,
farm,
yeah. He's always
Sleeping.
Damn.
so looking forward for the
I
birthday
actually
party.
thought that you met him.
No,
right?
no. I've seen his photos
Just
and videos.
pictures?
Huh, that's it.
Last year, he didn't come out like to actually meet you.
No.
Wow, I'm surprised.
Yeah, आज मिलेंगे ना. And today is a special day.
Yeah.
So and then of course we guys are foodies. So before I leave Delhi, we guys are gonna go and have some nice dinner. Maybe even watch a movie. And we'll talk about boys
Things
talk.
behind the camera.
Boys talk. Yeah.
Sir, this one is
So this is called Baby Forest, right?
Baby forest.
You've got all these beautiful, cute stuff. This is of course in City Walk in Delhi. और हमारा गिफ्ट हो रहा है पैक. दिखाओ. Let's see. Oh, nice. Baby Forest. And did you get a ribbon inside?
yeah.
Okay.
I already read it.
Very cute, yeah.
Left is to sort of put name.
Yeah. Really nice, huh? Sachin, what's that?
Looks good, right?
Looks good, huh?
Especially with this
Yeah.
subtle touch.
Oh, very. 11th August. 11th August.
What?
11th August. Wow, so cute. There's a personal note written by me to Mix. What's the real name? Mikhail, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So, happy birthday, Mikhail. This goes right inside here. You're a big boy. And perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect?
Perfect. Bro.
Perfect.
Yeah. All right.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Have any?
Yeah. Let's get a nice shirt from either from Zara or from Masuni.
I think that's it.
Let's go that side.
Pantaloons.
Zara I somehow don't like so much.
Yeah.
Same,
Zara you don't like that much?
No, Zara is nice, but the same kind of t-shirts and shirts. Yeah. That way.
Any day though, subtle and classic.
Yeah. I love Masuni Dhuti.
Oh, one of my favorites.
Masuni Dhuti is amazing. Check out those beautiful hearts. But Valentine is over, bro.
Valentine's.
Valentine is over, but still they have these hearts.
Valentine is every night.
Oh my God!
If you think of it.
Actually,
Not to flaunt this, man.
no, you are right. Valentine is every night, baby.
It is every
Sachin,
night.
I'm so proud of you. Now you are finally becoming a man.
Finally. Short, is it?
Which one? No, this is like a suede jacket.
What about
So,
this side?
which one? Nice. नहीं यार, नहीं, white मेरे पास बहुत पड़े हुए हैं.
In this we have a blue black also. See the fabric and material this white.
I know, it is very nice. Fabric and material is in your price tag. So.
You're filtering it by price.
Huh?
One thing like much of the range is out there. I think this side is mostly just half zipper.
Exactly. But I love Masuni Dhuti. I just love the brand.
I wish there were more stores of it.
Yeah.
Just one here. And that's about it. There isn't any more. But there isn't
Thank
even
God.
an
कहाँ पे? India में-
Promenade side.
हाँ, Promenade नहीं है.
Orion.
But at least they got one here. It's nice, yeah. Dubai
It's
में
sort
तो
of made
सब
it much bigger now.
Yeah,
Before it was like a very
small, yeah.
Small one.
No, it's nice and big. Correct. You're gonna try these shirts. This one, and show me more. तुम 2-3 और try कर ले लो.
So
इसको
very
remove कर
out
लो.
of it actually.
देख
It'll
लेंगे.
give off a very
है ना?
But see another color though.
Okay.
One more color.
Show me one more color.
Yeah.
Blocking.
Also in your blog.
No, darling, not for you.
Sort of testers and all.
Yeah. So we've come to Lush. They have opened their first outlet
Store
in the entire country, actually. So, Shah Rukh Khan, SEM, SEM. So I'm buying this. This is called. No, ये नहीं. वो क्या है? It's called Dirty. But though it's not dirty, but it's supposed to style your hair very well without being sticky. So it's really nice. And we're giving some nice samples. कुछ shampoo पड़ा था घर पे मैंने कहा samples से ना try कर लेते हैं. Yeah.
What's your paying method?
Paying method. So these are the shampoo samples. Big shampoo. This shampoo. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? My Lush is ready. Perfect. Thank you. What's your name?
Anshul.
Anshul. Thank you, Anshul.
Thank you. All right, thanks.
And Anshul has subscribed, of course. And thank you so much.
Hema.
Huh? Your name is Hema. What? You Hema Malini? Achha, okay. You? Jacqueline?
Shruti.
Shruti. Okay. Okay.
City.
Yeah.
I'll just put it on the map bro, because I'm not sure where to get to.
We are heading to Gurgaon. वो थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम कम करते हैं तो मेरे को वो आ जाएगा
1.5
कॉपीराइट.
hours,
1.5 hours? भाई कहाँ पे ये?
bro. It's
Far. Glad we left, bro. नहीं तो बर्थडे तो यही हो
reach
जाता.
by 5.
Shit. And the party finishes at 6. तो बात नहीं, 1 घंटा बिजी आती हम लोग यार.
It's my nephew's birthday, bro.
Nephew's birthday and we are shopping in City Walk.
Yeah. Having a good cappuccino. Where's my
God.
cappuccino? Oh,
यहाँ से पी ले.
नहीं कोई नहीं. कहाँ से?
यहाँ से.
अच्छा नहीं हाँ, कोई नहीं.
मैं तो उसे पी लेता हूँ.
नहीं हाँ no worries. We'll have a coffee up there. This place we're heading to is actually a mall only, so.
हाँ.
But it's not designed as a mall. Like it's banging on the. Achha, I'll place.
Yeah, put it. So we are heading to Gurgaon for Mick's birthday, 5th birthday, and
It's showing us a left. What the fuck?
तो लेफ्ट ले ले. No, you could have gone straight also.
We're sure as the faster route out here, so
Ah, okay.
yeah.
So, oh, what a cute puppy. Man, so today is the 21st of February. 25th, I'm heading back to Bombay. 27th is a very important day as I have a press conference and a media one-to-one for my upcoming music video. And by the way, uska, I think teaser and poster will be out on the 27th or probably one day before that. So,
Oh, nice. Okay.
2 days of dance rehearsal
Okay.
and 1 day of shooting. So we started around 12:30 in the afternoon and we finished by about 11 in the night.
And where was the shooting? Like Bombay?
Outskirts of Bombay.
Oh,
This place called Bhiwadi, if I'm not wrong. So it was about 2.5 hours drive. Beautiful set. So every time I meet Sachit, मैं उसको brain wash करता हूँ. शादी मत करना, single रहे, girlfriends बना ले. Make as many girlfriends, be in a live-in, no problem. अच्छा, relationship also, you don't have to get so much deep into. मतलब swimming नहीं करना है.
Swimming.
हाँ, swimming नहीं करना है. Just be in a normal.
Just fish around. But
chill,
Yeah.
chill relationship. And yes, work on yourself, work hard, make lots of money, make tons of money, and live your life to the fullest.
I think life is.
Even if some people see you as a villain, that oh, this guy is not getting married, playboy, hell with them, because ultimately it is your peace, it is your life. As simple as that.
Yeah. Life in a nutshell.
Because
Live the way you want to live.
because I'm only worried about one thing, that he is such a good-hearted man. कि अगर प्यार हो गया तो बस which I don't want. So, no, I think love is a beautiful thing, provided that there are that it doesn't become obsession नहीं होना चाहिए, you know.
Yeah. You want the sunroof? As in the. Yeah.
Baby, everything is fine. This, you know what? I'm loving this shirt. This is such a sexy shirt, man.
It really is, bro.
Like one of a kind.
Yeah.
And that's
It's probably not coming on camera. But the texture.
It's just
man,
amazing. And again, this is from Asuni Dhuti.
Yeah. You know, every time you feel that fashion has sort of reached its peak,
Yeah.
like there's nothing new which can sort of surprise you.
Yeah.
Fuck.
And this is
Then
not,
you come into a place like this and you'll be like, wow, I haven't seen this before.
and this is not cheap, by the way. अगर आप लोगों को लग रहा है कि it's 4,000-5,000 rupees, which it used to be, it was 9,250 something like that.
Pretty much. Yes.
But worth it because it's a beautiful shirt and the way it fits me, the way it, you know, the
I
way
think
it
it's more
feels.
to do how a person carries itself.
Yeah,
As in,
yeah.
That always plays a big point out there. But yes, one of the best shirts I've ever seen.
Yes,
Amazing
sir. Yes, sir. And before I leave Delhi, because this has been a short trip, I want to go out for a dinner with him. जो हमने discuss किया. This is amazing restaurant, which is at the Oberoi's in Gurgaon. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Chong? Chang क्या बोलते हैं?
Some chow, I don't know. Miss Chow? Mrs. Chow?
So Mrs. Chow or Mr. Chow, we will go and figure it out.
Yeah,
Whatever it may be, खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए, and that is it.
that's about
So
it.
we'll go there. Everything.
Could be something funny, could be just a moment.
Yes, everything,
Club it
everything.
together.
Yeah. After a long, crazy drive, we have reached Elan Epic Mall in Gurgaon. And it's pretty nice here. The birthday party is right here. So, bro,
Yeah?
what's up, bro? That was a long drive, man.
What a road trip, huh?
Yeah, but Gurgaon, man, has impressed me so much. The kind of changes is unbelievable. So we're going on the top floor, right? Or the second floor? नीचे देख पानी वानी नमस्ते. I'm sure यहाँ पे भी खाना अच्छा मिलेगा. Very nice place, yeah. Yeah.
We have to go there.
So we're going there on the second floor. Okay.
I think we came to that.
Lift ले लेते हैं. It's got a cute mall, yeah. Finally, I will be witnessing the new expressway. It's called the Dwarka Expressway.
Dwarka Expressway, yeah. It's not new though, but
It's been what 1 year old?
I think
1 year?
it's more than that, bro.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
और मैं first time जा रहा हूँ. That's crazy. And I
So
believe
we're cutting through much of the peak Gurgaon.
Gurgaon traffic, right?
Yeah, yeah. Through and through.
Wow, look at this. So there's Rajiv Chowk on the left and pretty neat, yeah. Looks stunning. And the road is also pretty big. World of Sand.
World of Sand.
World of Sand.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what
you
I
were
said.
absolutely right.
Yeah.
So हम लोग JW Marriott आए हैं for an amazing dinner which we just finished. We had a buffet और इतनी भूख लगी थी इतनी जोर से. बोला यार no time for a la carte. Let's have buffet. And yeah, and then after that we come to the lounge area to have some jasmine tea. कि खाना डाइजेस्ट हो जाए. अभी 9 बज रहे हैं रात के, so luckily we'll not get any traffic. Hopefully when we get back home. Because हम दोनों के डेस्टिनेशन एक ही है, वो है सैनिक फार्म्स. मेरे घर के पास में रहता है, so makes a lot of difference. You know?
Yeah.
Just imagine if he was staying in Sarita Vihar. I would say it would have been crazy, dude. So, anyways.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Well, guess what I got? Check that out. This is amazing, guys. Thank you, Ruh by Mansi. I can't wait to try your products. I've heard so much about them. And finally, you have sent me so many. मतलब इतना सब कुछ ही दे दिया मुझे. Wow, this is just good. It's not only about face creams and serums. She does a fantastic job when it comes to weight loss, and of course they're all natural, so that's the best part about the brand. And oh wow, check that out. She sent Ruh. Thank you so much, Mansi. This is incredible. This one supports natural energy. And this one supports muscle function, supports energy, metabolism. Wow, these are lean drops. इसके बारे में मैंने बहुत सुना है. Helps reduces belly fat. Wow. Enhances energy and focus, sugar and appetite balance. And I'm so proud of you, Mansi. Well done. I'm going to put her link in my description so that you guys can go and shop this amazing products from her website. It seems all of business class is for me. There's nobody. Of course, picture full hai. But yeah, off to Bombay, guys. And can't wait to be getting back home. My original home. Finally landed into Mumbai, and it was 2 घंटे की flight थी. Not bad.